there's a BNSF train with a GAYVO coming. BNSF and their goddamn GAYVOs. I cannot believe they keep on running GAYVOs. In fact, I have to ground them. Get off the tracks, dumbass! Get off the tracks! Stupid GAYVOs. God. This train has GAYVOs. BNSF running their GAYVOs. Oh, I bet it's a coal train too. Is it a coal? No, it's not a coal train. It's a manifest. GAYVOs. The engineer didn't even give me a horn, so stupid goddamn GAYVOs. God, if only that Trash 9 led. That's the one time that I actually want a Trash 9 to lead too, is when there's a GAYVO leading BNSF manifest. Goddamn GAYVOs. Okay guys, I am now going to show you my hot girlfriend, who I play with every single day. She is so hot. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my. She is so hot. Look at her. Oh, she is the hottest. Oh my God. Oh my. Oh, she is so hot. Look at her. Look at her. Look at her. Look at those eyes. Look at those eyes. Oh my God. Oh, look. She is so hot. She is so hot. Oh, look, here's the end of the train. Oh, look at that cargo hopper. Oh my God. But look at this guy. She is so hot. And now because there was a GAYVO leading that BNSF manifest, I am going... I'm sorry. BNSF, more like big, noisy, stupid fuckers. Okay. I'm now going to ground that BNSF train, guys. BNSF train. I cannot believe you had a GAYVO leading your train. That's it. You are grounded for 71 years. This means no buses, no trains, no rail fawning, no GAYVOs leading trains. You may not have a GAYVO leading your train anymore. You will watch Family Guy. You will have SC-70 Aces lead all your trains. This, I know you don't like to Railfan much, but I know you might want to at some point, but no rail fawning. You will wear lots and lots of sunscreen. Now go to bed. Oh, but guys, so seriously though, Lily, oh my God, she is my soulmate. She is so hot and she is so realistic. And I'm going to, marry her someday. All right. Well, I'm going to, I'm going to go jack off in a, Railfan, Norfolk Southern now. All right, goodbye.